Hello, I'm Craven and welcome to the UK weather, or as I like to call it, the geo-engineered shit show forecast. It's the autumn equinox today, so naturally they've cranked the knobs on the sky spray machines to full bastard. Now don't let today's odd bit of sunshine fool you. We've just come out of 48 hours of monsoon tier floods. Streets turned into canals, cars floating, and the Met Office still had the audacity to call it patchy rain. Patchy? My left tit. Meanwhile, every square inch of sky has looked like a CrossFit class for chemtrail kettlebells, just lined up, layered and dumped on us like a chemical gangbang. And somehow you're still not supposed to notice. They'll tell you it's high pressure dominating. Nah, it's atmospheric lockdown. That's what it is. Clear skies, light winds, yeah, because they've boxed the weather in with a fucking ionospheric prison wall. Tuesday's special treat? An occlusion feature. You know what that really means? It means they're blaming invisible cloud spaghetti for the sudden showers in East Anglia and Kent, while ignoring the dozens of aerosol tankers drawing dicks in the sky like it's Top Gun meets Mad Max. Northern Isles get a few crumbs, maybe a drizzle. Everyone else gets slow-boiled like frogs while being told, oh look, it's unusually mild for the time of year. And when the temperatures creep up to 17 or 18, that's not the sun, that's the solar radiation bouncing off metallic nanoparticulates. Congratulations, you're living in a microwave. Evenings bring clear skies again, which in translation means nighttime dumping begins at 19:30 GMT sharp. You'll wake up with a weird taste in your mouth and a headache that feels like it came from licking a lithium battery. Mist and fog? Nah, mate, that's chemical condensation. You don't get fog that smells like burnt cat piss. But you do now because it's weather. Later in the week, they say the high pressure drifts off to the Baltic. That's code for we're switching spraying contracts to NATO airspace and giving the southeast a fresh top-up while pretending it's cloud cover. Temperatures not dropping as low. You know why? Because your sky has a lid on it. They've sealed the dome and filled it with moisture. Like a Dutch oven, but with less honesty. Friday's looking interesting. There's a low pressure system near Iceland, meaning they've got a storm cocked and ready, but they're waiting to see who they want to blame this time. Russia? Climate change? Or maybe that bloke on Facebook who noticed the planes flying in grid patterns. So what's the actual takeaway this week? Floods? Ignored. Spraying? Denied. Health effects? Gaslighted. Forecast confidence? Low, because they're making it up as they go along. I'm Craven, your unapologetic weather whore, and I'll keep screaming into this chemical fog until you lot start looking up. But don't worry, they've got a distraction lined up. Another royal engagement, another war, another climate emergency announcement from a podium made of lies. Meanwhile, your lungs are full of heavy metals and your energy bills are so high you can't afford to boil water to make sense of it. And if you dare speak up, you'll be called a conspiracy theorist, demonetised, deplatformed, maybe even arrested for hurting the feelings of some algorithm. Free speech doesn't live here anymore. It was evicted along with the truth. They're not forecasting weather. They're narrating the collapse. They're managing perception, not informing the public. They're not experts, they're actors. And the only thing they're qualified to do is lie with a straight face while the country drowns or burns or gets sprayed like a cockroach under a kitchen sink. So if your kids are coughing, if your garden's dying, if your head feels fried after a clear day with a silver sky, you're not mad, you're just awake. And they fucking hate that. This has been Craven giving you the forecast they won't. So wrap up warm, wear your gas mask and remember, if the sky looks like scrambled eggs, it's not the weather, it's war. Stay defiant, stay loud, stay looking up. And please remember people, if you watched it and you liked it, then share it for others to enjoy it as well. Don't forget to check out Liam Stoneley anywhere he isn't banned from. Bye for now.